This is going to be a quick video announcing a new series that will be a Patreon only series for my guess would be 2 to 3 months. And that's just due to the fact that this is a work in progress series and I have to make sure I get all the other series that I have published out first. So what this is it is a multiplayer ready inventory and shop system. We are currently, as of this video, on video number 25. So we have completed so far. Oops, sorry about that. Replication for an inventory. So this is food here, and these are health. I can pick them up on the client and the server. There's about, I think, 7 of them stacked in there. So here we have the server on the right. Here we have the client on the left. You can go through, use the items however needed and all that kind of stuff, and they make use of it. So the reason they're not disappearing when we finish the use of them, that's just because I'm currently working on rewriting how they actually get removed. So that will be probably completed in the next video or two. But on top of that, we also have cheat prevention in place, so clients cannot spam the usage. So for example, a client cannot cheat. Let's say they have 3 things of health in their inventory. They cannot bump that up to 8 and spam use. If they do that, the server's not, they're going to see the result on the client, but the second, everything goes back and replicates again, it's going to revert back to its correct values because the server has authority over everything. The server is what is actually preventing the cheating here. So if you can cheat this, I'd say it's pretty impressive. So this setup, again, it's multiplayer. It's set up to work in both dedicated and listen servers. And at the very moment, we are starting to get to the point where we wrap up our inventory. And here soon, we're going to start working on the actual shop system as well. We just have to create a new item for some sort of currency that we can pick up and collect and all that fun stuff, because each item does have their own value to it. So we currently have item data, item cost, and all that kind of stuff. So we can kind of have it be controlled through our item data structure. Now, I want to make a quick note. This is currently using Unreal Engine 5. Videos 1 through video 4, we are using Unreal Engine 4. Then on video 4, we go ahead and we convert our project to be Unreal Engine 5. So if you wish, you can complete this tutorial series on Unreal Engine 4. The code and everything is going to be pretty much the exact same. The only difference between the two is going to be the UI. So if you really wanted to, you could honestly start the series using Unreal Engine 5, which is what this project is right here. And here's the Unreal Engine 4 project. They're going to be nearly identical. So if you want to get access to this series, all you have to do is just go to my Patreon. You'll pay $1, or you can pay more than that. Again, it's just a $1 minimum, so all Patrons get early access to all of my videos, and you'll get access. If you pay $10 or more, you get access to a Patreon-only series, which is my Team Deathmatch series that I announce at the end of every single video. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord. That's also linked down below in the description, and I'll try to help you out. So, I hope you guys enjoy it.